some question of degree of comparison in your exam. The question is coming like that on degrees of comparison. Every question have 4 options. One option is correct and each question have 2 marks. So look on the board. Here are some question of degrees of comparison. In every time I told you, when you solve any questions, you read at least 2 times. If you read 2 times questions, you recognize the meaning of the question and easily solve that question. So same here, we read all the question 1 time and second time we try to solve it. So everyone look on the board and listen carefully. Number 1 question is, change the sentence into superlative degree. Sentence is, Ramesh is richer than any other man in Nagpur. Then second number, choose the correct degree of comparison from the given alternative. Okay, sentence is, Sham is as good as Ram. Then third number, fill in the blanks with the correct option. There is a sentence is, Rohan is the ... boy in our class. Then fourth number, find the wrong degree of comparison from the table. Then fifth number, look at the picture, choose suitable option of comparison. This picture. Okay, so like that question on degrees of comparison. Now we try to solve it. So everyone look on the board and listen carefully. Number 1 question is, change the sentence into superlative degree. खालील वाक्य आपल्याला superlative degree मध्ये चेंज करायचे. Okay, sentence is, Ramesh is richer than any other man in Nagpur. Okay, so this sentence we convert into superlative degree in a option. So 1 number option, no other man in Nagpur is so rich as Ramesh. Second number, Ramesh is as rich as other man in Nagpur. Then third number, Ramesh is the richest man in Nagpur. And fourth number, very few people are richest as Ramesh. So which sentence is showing superlative degree for this sentence? Okay, so this sentence belongs to richer. There is a adjective is comparative degree. Okay, so हा sentence comparative degree मधला आहे. या sentence ला आपल्याला superlative degree मध्ये convert करायचे. Okay, so which is the option correct here? The first, no other man in Nagpur is so rich as. Okay, so rich as, it is a positive degree. Okay, so it is not. Second number, Ramesh is as rich as other man in Nagpur. As in middle of, there is a first form of adjective or adverb. So it is a positive degree. Then third number, Ramesh is the richest. Richest, it is a third form and we use third form of adverb adjective in superlative degree. So it is a correct sentence for this sentence. So Ramesh is the richest man in Nagpur. So option number 3 is correct here. So Ramesh is richer than any other man in Nagpur. It is a comparative degree and this sentence we convert into superlative. So you given third form of adverb and adjective in superlative degree. म्हणजे आपण superlative degree मध्ये विशेषणाचं तिसरं रूप घेतो. est लागलेलं. Okay, so option number 3 is correct of superlative degree for this sentence. So Ramesh is the richest man in Nagpur. So option number 3 is showing superlative degree for this sentence. So option number 3 is correct here. Now second number question, choose the correct degree of comparison from the given alternative. Okay, the given sentence, you choose the proper degree of comparison for this sentence. Sentence is, Sham is as good as Ram. हा सेंटेन्स कुठल्या डिग्री मधला आहे ते आपल्याला अल्टरनेटिव्ह मध्ये शोधायचं. सो नंबर 1 ऑप्शन सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री, सेकंड नंबर पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री, थर्ड नंबर comparative degree and fourth number no comparison. Okay, so which is the correct option for this sentence? Sham is as good as. So as च्या मध्ये विशेषण आले. So as च्या मध्ये जर विशेषण आलं तर ते डिग्री आपण पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये लिहित असतो. Okay, so this sentence belong to positive degree because as in middle there is a adverb or adjective. So it is a positive degree. So in a positive degree, you compare one thing to another things. So it is a positive degree. So option number 2 is positive degree. So Sham is as good as Ram. It is belong to positive degree. So option number 2 is correct here. Now third number question. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Fill in the blanks with correct options. खालील रिकामी जागी योग्य ते पर्याय निवडून आपले ते पर्याय कंप्लीट करायचे या ब्लँक्स मध्ये. सो सेंटेन्स इज रोहन इज द डॉट डॉट बॉय इन आवर क्लास. रोहन इज अ dot dot boy in our class. So which is the option is correct to fill in that blanks? So number 1 option taller, second number tall, third number tallest, and fourth number more. So which is the correct option? So Rohan is the dot dot boy in our class. म्हणजे एकाशी तुलना काय झाली अनेकाशी झाली. ओके. So which is the correct here? Taller, no. Tall, no. Tallest, right here. जर अनेकाशी तुलना एकाशी करायची असेल तर आपण तिथं सुपरेटिव्ह डिग्री मधलं थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ऍडवर्ब आणि ऍडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे विशेषणाचं थर्ड रूप ईएसटी असलेला आपण घेतो. सो रोहन इज द टॉलेस्ट बॉय इन आवर क्लास. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज करेक्ट हियर. नाउ फोर नंबर फाइंड द रॉंग डिग्री ऑफ कंपॅरिझन फ्रॉम द टेबल. खाली टेबल मधला आपल्याला रॉंग म्हणजे चुकीचं कंपॅरिझन चॉईस करायचं. So first we read all the comparison here. There is a A is there, there is a B is there. Okay. So it is a good. So it is a positive degree. Better it is a comparative degree. आता पॉझिटिव्ह आणि कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री मधलं कुठली जोडी हे चुकीचे ते आपल्याला शोधायची. सो फर्स्ट गुड बेटर, सेकंड नंबर केअरफुल मोर केअरफुल, थर्ड नंबर स्वीट मोर स्वीट, and fourth number small there is a smaller. So which is the wrong pair of comparison here? So first good better it is a correct here. Okay, good it is a positive, better it is a comparative. Second number careful more careful it's also correct. Careful it is a positive, more careful it is a comparative. Then third number sweet more sweet. Okay, sweet it is a positive, more sweet it's not a comparative, so it is a wrong here. Fourth number small it is a positive, small it is a comparative. So option number 3 is wrong here because we given sweet, second is there is a sweeter, so it is a wrong here. We written more sweet, so it is wrong. Okay, so option number 3 is wrong comparison of degree. Okay, so option number 3 is wrong here, but here we choose the wrong degree of comparison, so option number 3 is correct here. Now fifth number question, look at the picture, choose सुटेबल ऑप्शन ऑफ कंपॅरिझन. खालील चित्र बघून आपल्याला ऑप्शन मधला जे सुटेबल अल्टरनेटिव्ह आहे या पिक्चर साठी ते आपल्याला चॉईस करायचं. ओके, सो पिक्चर इज लाईक दॅट. द पिक्चर शोइंग स्क्वेअर. सो देयर इज अ ए स्क्वेअर बी स्क्वेअर. ए स्क्वेअर इज बिग and b square is small. Okay, so which is the proper comparison of this picture you choose in a option. So number 1 option is A is smaller than B. Second number option, A is not as small as B. Then third number option, B is as big as A. And fourth number option, B is bigger than A. So which is the correct comparison of this picture? Okay, so number 1 option, A is smaller than B. म्हणजे A हा B पेक्षा लहान आहे. A हा B पेक्षा लहान आहे. सेकंड नंबर, A is not as small as B. म्हणजे A हा B पेक्षा, A हा B सारखा स्मॉल नाही. A हा B सारखा स्मॉल नाही. Then third number, B is as big as A. म्हणजे B हा A एवढाच मोठा आहे, म्हणजे सारखा आहे. दोन्ही B आणि A सारखे आहे. आणि फोर्थ नंबर ऑप्शन, B is bigger than A. म्हणजे B हा A पेक्षा मोठा आहे. तर कुठला कंपॅरिझन त्या ऑप्शन मधला करेक्ट आहे? सो लुक हियर, A is not as small as B. म्हणजे A हा B सारखा नाही, म्हणजे A हा B पेक्षा मोठा आहे. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 2 is correct here. A is not as small as B. म्हणजे A हा B सारखा स्मॉल नाही. त्याचा अर्थ काय झालं? A हा B पेक्षा मोठा आहे. So option number 2 is correct here. So like that question we solve it. If you solve like that question, you have to know all the degree of comparison with their rules and tips. Okay. So if you learn all the degrees of comparison with their rules, with their types, with their forms, if you learn like that, you can solve all the question of degree of comparison is very easily. So everyone learn all the degree of comparison with their rules, types and their forms also. If you learn like that, you can solve all the question based on degree of comparison is very easily. Okay. So you learn. Thank you very much.